ang maganda doon sa bata is that yung willingness niya na maging open, hindi maging mayabang, but open to new learnings. And syempre sa edad mo ngayon talagang lahat bago ka eh. So ito bago yung role, bago yung kasama mo. So nakikinig naman siya at madaling matuto at nakita mo naman napaka-raw. Yun ang maganda pag yung kasama mo, you're on the same page and you know the intention of what you're doing and you give it your best. You know, you commit fully, more than 100%, and that's what I saw in Kyle.
How is it working with Kyle? After Pamilya Sagrado?
No, actually, this was before Pamilya Sagrado. I guess Dreamscape or ABS for that matter had the idea to pair us up to play my son. I don't know if they got wind about the ride before when we were filming. But Pamilya Sagrado came right away after the ride. So matagal na naming pino-post-prod to. Nauna lang siya sa Pamilya Sagrado and then dumire-diretso na nga yun.
Kaya pala, Papa P, yung rapport nyo ni Kyle is like...
Sobra talagang 18 years old pa lang yan. Kasi Kyle, nagsimula kami dito, tapos dumiretso pa sa Pamilya Sagrado, anak ko rin siya. So ganyan talaga yung closest namin because of that. And syempre, bata yan, gagabayan mo yan. And you wanna be able to show him the ropes of his business. And hindi lang naman siya marami tayo nakakasama. Pero ito nga, to be given this chance to play the co-lead, diba? Malaki rin responsibilidad para sa bata. And nandiyan ka para i-guide siya, para iparamdam sa kanya na, you know, basta gawin mo lang ng tama yung trabaho mo at huwag mong pasok sa ulo mo, then you'll go places.
Ang galing, Papa P, ang dami mong mini-mentor.
I don't wanna call it mentorship, you know, because at the end of the day, I'm not selfish. I'm just doing my part to be a team player. And it's not something that I do consciously because, you know, you want to walk the talk and not say it verbally, but let them see it with how you do your stuff, you know, how you embrace and being passionate about what you do. Doon na lang nila yun. Hindi mo kailangan i-spoon feed sa kanila.
The last time you talked to Kyle, sabi niya talagang kino-consider ka niya as not just my mentor niya, best friend daw talaga.
Actually, nung una, nung minsan magkasama kami sa Sagrado, sabi niya, Tol, okay lang ba if I say that you're my mentor? Niya, sabi ko, Tol, hindi mo ka mentor. I'm here as your brother, as your best friend. Pero, yeah, if you wanna call me that. But you are your own person. You know, he's very young, you know, it's a long way to go, but you know, I don't want to call it that kasi parang ang hirap naman nung pag nilagay mo sa utak mo na mentor ka, magtuturo ka. Ako, nag-aaral pa rin ako. I'm still a student, you know. Hindi naman natatapos yung pag-aaral natin at pagiging estudyante sa craft natin. So, kung ano man yung nakikita nila, sana pulutin nila yung maganda and they learn from that and they go from it.
Nandun ka doon nung time nung down na down siya because of the yan daw, sinushoot niya daw yan.
The reason why I had so much respect for the kid, when that final scene was happening, it was the day after his sister passed. So it was really a sensitive time in his life. It was really difficult because you have to control him because wala yung parents niya, nasa schools of course, and then sila mag-isa dito. So I made sure that he was okay, that he felt loved, that he felt like he had people around him to comfort him, to make sure na everything will be okay. It was just close to home for him because yun nga, very sensitive in time na nangyari yun when we were filming. So, guide ka na.
Wow.
Naging acting revelation ba si Kyle?
Wala naman kasi akong expectation sa kahit na sino kasama ko eh. Pero sa akin, ang maganda doon sa bata is that yung willingness niya na maging open, hindi maging mayabang, but open to new learnings. And syempre sa edad mo ngayon talagang lahat bago ka eh. So ito bago yung role, bago yung kasama mo. So nakikinig naman siya at madaling matuto at nakita mo naman napaka-raw. Yun ang maganda pag yung kasama mo, you're on the same page and you know the intention of what you're doing and you give it your best. You know, you commit fully, more than 100%, and that's what I saw in Kyle.
Siya daw ang next Piolo Pascual after.
Baka mas matangkad siya sa akin. Mas malagpasan pa niya yan. You know, marami sila. You know, I have a lot of young friends right now, obviously. And I know they can go places as long as they play their cards well.